water sensor cable, TW tape, roller internal cable, and controller outside cable. Wire controller. Done. Diverter valve, high flow rate, B for buffer side, A for aqua. It's connected, A for hot water side, B for buffer heating side. Permanent live goes to L1, which is L1 as it is on the wiring diagram. Permanent live goes to L1, which is stated there, L1, and switch live from the hot water goes to the 1, 2, 3, third and the fourth one. That's switch live for hot water and the neutral cable just underneath where it says neutral.